Hi guys, in this video I'll be showing you the procedure to block adult sites in Google Chrome. In order to block adult sites, you could either go ahead and enable SafeSearch, or you could also go ahead and make sure to make changes with your site settings. So open up your browser, tap on the three dot icon and go to settings from the bottom of the page. While you are taken to the settings, you want to go to the privacy and security from the left hand side corner. As you do it, so then you want to go to this. So here you actually want to go ahead and click on privacy and security. Then you want to go to the security sections. And after which you want to scroll down and you want to go to this DNS or select DNS provider. Here you want to go ahead and make sure to click or make sure to select CleanBrowsing family filter. Enable this and this is going to help you out to disable or remove adult sites, block adult site in Google Chrome. That's how it actually works. Or else, like I said, you could go to the Google and then enable your block adult site in Google Chrome. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.